Okay.
And Shayi, how much rice did you put in?
I never measure.
Okay.
That's all right.
Okay.
You know, if you have more, then we can use the rice to make the Ba Bao Fan or you
okay.
know. So, and it's hard to
Right. Just
I'm
try.
not
Yeah,
that
try it out.
scientific.
Right.
You know. It's,
So what are you doing right now?
I'm just
Rinsing.
rinse it and take off the water.
Okay.
You don't want
Can we see how clear the water is? When you
that it won't be clear. Then you have to wash 1,000 times.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So just
usually
rinse
just
once?
2-3 times.
Just
you
2-3
know, wash
times?
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Then
what
you
you do?
know it's a.
Then
It's
you use your
always
hand and
have this milky
Okay.
milky color. But once you wash the 2-3 times, that's good enough.
Okay.
What are you doing now?
I'm getting ready.
Okay, but
all
can
the
you explain?
ingredients.
Okay. So what did you
Yeah.
you bought these and then
yeah,
you have to
I show you.
Okay.
The package. Because that needs to soak overnight.
Oh.
And then you have to boil that. Make it soft. You know, I give you the raw one. The one you will get. I always get, you know, when you see that's big,
Yeah.
you know, it's good. And but now they are very tricky. You see this is so big. Then in between they are the baby leaves.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, so then you have the leaves. You said you have to soak it or you boil
Yeah,
it?
you boil that.
Okay.
So boil until, you know, for a few hours. And soak, let it sit in the hot water. Just make it softer. It's easy too. So it won't break because if it's a hot, it just crack. Then that.
So what is this, Papa?
That's the soy sauce.
No, this here.
That's the thread.
Cooking.
Those with the Chinese, though, it's much cheaper. Like that is $1 something.
Oh,
You know, so and you need
A lot.
yeah.
Is that called like cooking? Is it cooking twine? Cooking thread or?
Oh no, they just it's for the
Oh,
Zongzi.
okay.
So when you the section
Yeah.
that is always the next to it has this kind of
okay.
thread.
Okay. And then how do you make the filling?
Oh, that you just buy. I like the pork, what they call, but have some fat. You don't want too lean
Okay.
because it's very dry. You have to buy something have fat.
Okay.
But I don't know.
I'll take a picture.
But what if we're trying to be healthy?
I know.
Then it
If
doesn't
you're
taste good.
healthy, then don't eat Zongzi.
Okay, and then what's the marinade?
Just soy sauce and the wine, the Chinese wine.
Okay.
And-
小心.
yeah. And see this, it's cracked. See?
Oh, yeah.
So you just have to use 2 to cover it. But otherwise, it just open, then the rice all come out.
All right. Let's.
So if you get a good one, is that smell
smell.
okay?
Oh yeah, no, I was just trying to see because
Ooh.
you don't do measurements, so I'm trying to understand.
So very fragrant.
Oh, and then you the rice for the salty the pork you have to put the 酱油.
Oh, okay.
酱油
Is
to-
that regular or dark or light?
No, just the regular.
Regular?
Yeah.
Okay.
Quite a bit.
You kind of go by the color of the rice, right?
Yeah. But that's all right. You know, if it's not Yeah, but that will be too late. Sometimes you just pour it in the water, have some salt or water, so
Okay.
it
It
more
absorbs.
tasty.
Yeah.
You know.
Looks good.
And so everybody,
Okay.
put your hands have, like this. The leaf, you
Yeah.
see, this has no crack, right?
Right.
So you just see that is the stem.
Yeah.
You that's for outside.
Oh, the
Okay.
stem goes on the outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you fold this, you want how long your thing is.
Okay.
The 粽子 is.
Oh,
But
alright.
this 粽 it's small, so you cannot make it too long.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just put it like this, right?
Well, can
And
you
then
show us again how
Okay,
you
how,
folded
wait,
that?
Go back to that. Yeah.
Hold
on.
You just
Okay, hold on.
fold the length you want it, and then just
Has a pocket.
like this,
Okay.
like this. And then you put the rice, because you have to leave the room for the rice to expand, so you don't want make it very, very tight. And then this is not a big one. Let's see this. Yeah, I think maybe okay. This one, like this. Then you put the rice over, but you don't want. You have to leave loose. Let the rice expand.
Fold it.
Like this.
Okay.
And then you put
Oh,
another. I should use this one actually. This is the good one. And just see that
Yeah.
in the middle, and then you like this, and this, and this, and then you put the thread. All over, and cut it off, and you tied it. One done.
Okay.
I got
I
this,
don't
this
know
folding part.
why they all crack. That's very unusual.
Here, can you take a picture of me with it? Hold on. Picture or picture? So take this one. Got it?
Yeah.
And take this one. And then take this one. Okay, and then there. Okay. All right, I got my boat. Got my boat. Okay. Now. Oops, too much. Okay. Okay. You know how much they sell these things for in the store? It's like
Is that too much?
Like few dollars, right?
$6.
$8 per one?
$6.
Oh, $6.
That's still.
Yeah. Okay, now.
And then, oh, and then you have to go like this. Oh yeah, I forgot.
You wash the beans, and then you can soak overnight, then you cook less time. If you
Okay.
don't have time to soak, you cook for longer time. And you put the water, it will expand, you will absorb the water.
Okay.
But you don't want too watery,
Okay.
because if it's too watery, then the paste is too soggy.
And how much time?
Until you touch the bean, it's tender, it's soft.
Okay.
Then you have a blender, right?
Uh-huh.
Do you have a hand blender? The
No.
one.
I only have a mixer, or Alice has like a food processor.
Yeah, the food, because you know you want that thick.
Yeah.
Sometimes the blender, they don't. It's too thick. It won't
Oh.
turn.
I have a immersion blender.
Yeah,
like-
that
Oh,
one
okay.
is the best.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know, you don't want it too watery, then it's too
Okay.
soggy. But you just want like this
Okay.
kind
If
of.
it's too watery, how do you save it?
You know what, the old way, we put it into the cotton bag and just hanging, let it, the water.
Oh, drip.
Yeah.
Oh, just
yeah.
drain it.
Or maybe, I don't know, when you put this, is it the water will come up?
Oh, maybe. Or like a cheesecloth, right? You could wrap it in a cheesecloth.
The cheesecloth is too, then
The beans. does-
it will get out.
Oh.
Because that you already blended.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a paste. It will
okay.
come out.
All
Or
right.
maybe you can just cook longer, let it
Okay.
evaporate.
Okay.
That's what I like, the stick blend, you know,
Alright.
what do you call that? The
Immersion blender.
yeah, that one is really, really good. Anyway, the water only just have the top a little bit. Then if it's too dry, you can always add a little bit more water.
Okay.
But if you have too much water, then it's harder to get
Okay.
it more drier.
Okay, so that's it.
Yeah.
No sugar
Oh.
or anything?
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Then you have to use a lot of cooking oil
Oh.
and cook it, and then you put sugar.
Cook it on the stove?
Yeah, in the wok, because you need to stir it. You know, otherwise the bottom will be burned.
All right. So put in the oil.
Yeah.
Then.
I would say you put a 1 bag of beans. Probably you need to put 2-3 tablespoons or maybe more cooking oil.
Okay.
And how much sugar?
Oh, that is depend your taste,
Okay.
right? Right, yeah.
Okay.
That you can always add. You know,
Alright.
you have to, how sweet you want.
All right, so you stir fry.
But you know, because it's thick, when it have the bubble, it splash.
Oh.
So you have to
Keep
watch
Okay.
and keep the heat low. If it's too
Okay.
not, yeah, below the medium,
Okay.
you know, let it cook, because it's thick.
Okay.
It have a bubble.
Right,
then it-
explodes.
yeah.
All right. Okay.
And now that's it.
Yeah,
And
that
after
is
you
for
cook,
the
Then it's done.
done.
Now we're gonna cook the zongzi, and we're gonna fill up the pot. How much water?
Forever. For till when, you know, the more you cook it, the more
The rice is tender.
mushy.
Oh.
The you know, you have to make the pork to be cooked and all that. So.
Do I put that in
you
now?
just dump it in.
Oh,
You don't have to wait for the water to boil?
No. We just dump it in.
Oh, that one has a hole.
Oh, that one's mine, I think.
The flattest one has a hole.
I don't know.
Yeah, we can put it on the top, so that's okay.
So how long?
That one's broke too. Oh, yo.
This one need a
That one
taste.
needs help. Oh, this is Jesse's.
Oh, no, that's fine.
You have a jewelry repair?
Wow, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna cover it with more
Yeah.
water.
Yeah,
Okay.
have to cover with more water.
Oh my. Okay, and so it's on
Yeah.
medium. And how long does this cook, Papa?
Cook for the longer it's better.
Okay.
You know, after it's boiled, you don't cook that high heat. Make the lower heat. That is.
Okay. For like an hour or 2 hours?
Now what are we cooking?
We are making the Ba Bao Fan.
Okay. And
Okay.
what are you doing
I'm
first?
cooking the sticky rice
Okay.
into the rice cooker,
Uh-huh.
and
And how much of that do you make?
I don't know. I just, you know me. I never. One cup. I think we need more.
Wash the rice.
The 3 cups, right?
Yep. So we did 3 cups of rice. So how much water?
You know, my rice cooker doesn't say for the sweet rice, and I look at it almost the same as a regular rice.
Okay.
So I just, last time I put more water, then the Thanksgiving time, it was so mushy, and I know I made a mistake. So this time I just make it 3 cups, right?
You did 3 cups of rice, yep.
Yeah, okay. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, sorry.
The cameraman hit the camera.
It's more than 3 cups.
Okay, so you filled it right up to the 3 cup line.
Right,
Okay. And then we cook it, right?
right.
Okay, so your
Sticky rice.
thing has a
Right.
sticky rice here. And then you start it.
Okay.
Okay.
So what is this?
This is, well, we'll see. Oh, you have to.
Yeah, that is just for, you know what, the plastic doesn't, it's easy to stick on it. Yeah. That's what I,
Oh, you don't use like, what do you call it, parchment paper?
yeah, but it won't be that paper, it's too
hard.
right?
Okay. Oh, yeah.
But this one,
I did-
it will be more smooth.
Oh, I didn't know that this could stand up to steaming.
Or to heat,
Yeah.
I don't know. That
Obviously
part,
it does.
I don't know. But I always.
I guess I never read the bottom. You have this.
Yeah, no, just
Golden
for-
raisins.
I just need it in the middle, and then I just. So they will stay. All I want is they stay there.
Oh.
It's like a glue.
Oh, okay.
That just for the decorations,
Okay.
you know.
Oh, right, because this will end up being the top
Right,
once
right,
you turn it
right.
upside down. Or right side up.
So you're gonna do it all around the side?
Yeah, that's all depends, you know. If you think it's prettier, then you.
Okay.
Oops.
I don't put that much. Okay. I think the peanut is better.
Thin layer of Should I push it down?
Yeah, but you know, just have to be.
Maybe you have to get a
gentle,
wet-
not moving
The raisins.
my decorations.
Okay.
So now is the filling, you know. Let me see. Just oh, they are sweet, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can get these pointed, see?
Oh,
I see them on
okay. Oh, you
Then
want to
you
do
just
that?
sealed it.
Okay.
You know,
You want me to put it on?
that's all right. I can. You, if you want to do it.
Okay. How much rice did you use?
3 cups.
3 cups.
Here, yeah, it's 3 cups.
3 of the plastic cups.
Yeah, the rice cup.
So the rice cup. Yeah.
Right. I know. Edwin gave me his
Uh,
measuring cup. So he doesn't have the measuring cup.
Oh, I have an extra one.
I make you a mini. We can have a mini.
We can use that and make another wrapper. Can you with the dosa?
Oh yeah. Can do it. Okay. Done.
Okay. Then
So-
what?
So we steam it.
Oh,
We steam it